in this video. Now, I've just been rooting around on rust protection paint, so I nipped in Lidl. And I've not seen this rack before. In Edinburgh, Manchester, 27% off. The grinder, aggressive tool, isn't it? So we've got the pad like this as well, for wood actually. Parkside one. I've had to take the guard off for this one. Diamond as well. High traction, sprung loaded diamond grinding guard off. One of these a while ago, right against the edge. Velcro again for that pad. Radon blocker, 6 brightness levels. There we go. Look at this. Shoving it down things coming out in Germany. Diamond tile drill bit set. And it tied it up enough. The new Parkside tool drop in Lidl. Some tools in there that are favourites that have come out again. And it shows that some of the tools are coming over from Europe because there's a tool in there that was out in Germany a few weeks ago. And now it's over here in the UK. I've got the brochure and I've got a lot of these tools already so I can show you. And tomorrow it's the tool drop in Audi. A lot going on at the minute. But first of all, let's see what's coming out in Lidl on Sunday. And a quick favour, if you like this video or you've watched a few of my videos and haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. It's free. And it helps the channel out massively. It brings a lot more people to the comments, which helps us all. Cheers. So, fellow Sheddies and tool lovers, let's stop the waffle and get on with it. Hello, Sheddies. How you join me again? In my shed. So I nipped in Lidl yesterday just to get the brochure and just to see if they've got any deals going on, any clearance stuff. And I've not seen this rack before for £4. It's secateurs and garden scissors. There's a full selection there. It's like there for delicate work, for herbs, etc. And for £20 was the hand steamer by Silvercrest. The only reason I mention it is because we saw the one at Aldi recently. Might come in useful to somebody. And the electric lawnmower has been reduced from 110 to 80 quid, 27% off. It's the 1800 watt one. Mains, of course, with high traction. There's the specs if you want them. It's got a 55 litre and a 44 centimetre blade. There it is. That's providing your lawn ain't gone brown at the minute in this drought we're having. 3-in-1 rust protection paint with primer. Always worth checking before a tool drop, the orange label stuff. Right, let's go back to the shed and have a look at the brochure. Right then, here's the brochure from the 30th of July until the 5th of August. But the Parkside tools are coming out on the 2nd of August. And let's have a look in the bottom corner, see what area it is. Ooh, a Lego Porsche, 17 quid. Here we go. Now, there's only 2 pages this time, but there's some goodies in here. Got a few of them already, so I can show you them, and some equivalents as well. Right then, first of all, in the bottom corner, PET, standing for Peterborough, but I've had a look online. I looked in Edinburgh, Manchester, Bristol, Lincoln, I think Norfolk as well. And it all said, apart from Lincoln, which comes under the same PET Peterborough, says rest of the UK, which normally means it is going to appear in your store. However, there will be some stores that don't get this. So let us know in the comments if it comes in your store or if it doesn't. Helps me and others. As we know, this is usually the bare minimum that comes out. There's sometimes a bit extra. In past weeks or in past months, quite a bit extra. But we'll see on Sunday. But first of all, the grinder. Now, I've not got this one. This is the mains version. 125mm or 5 inches, 20 quid. I've got a couple of mains grinders, not from Aldi or Lidl, but I've got a couple of cordless ones, one from Parkside, which is the performance one, and a cordless one from Ferex. But the mains ones, of course, you get more power. And if you're not remotely using it, if you're using it in your workshop, nothing wrong with using mains. 1200 watts, cutting and grinding, 3000 to 12,000 RPM, and it's got a tool-free adjustable 2-in-1 protection hood, or the guard here. Normally you can just sort of click them into position. And I wonder, no, it's got the nuts. Because on the Parkside cordless performance grinder, got the quick release, easy to remove the blades or flappy wheels. But I'm sure the guard, pull a trigger there and lock into position wherever you need it. Handle is different to this one. That's an anti-vibration one. Swap it over from there to there. Pretty sure it'll have the tool in the end of the handle to swap it over, the blades that is. I noticed when these came out in Europe, I think it was Germany when we're looking in the brochure, they're working out equivalents of about 11 quid. I don't know if it was the same version. Let us know if you've got one, how good are they? Next, we've got all the angle grinder accessories. Flappy disc set, 4-piece. Polishing disc, 2-piece. Hook and loop sanding pad with sanding sheets, 11 pieces. Fiber disc set, 6 pieces. Cleaning disc, 1 piece. Grinding disc, 5 pieces. 4 quid. Now, I've just been rooting around and I've got all sorts here. I'm wondering if that comes out again. That's a beast, isn't it? Look at the size of those wire bristles. Aggressive tool, isn't it? So we've got the pad like this as well. Like a polishing pad for metal. Cutting disc, that's an old one. That's a really thin one as well. Wonder if they're coming out again. Again for metal. And the flappy disc wheels. That one's for wood, actually. 40 grit. And then we've got, oh, that's the Ferrex one. That's showing for all materials, metal and wood. Got these in here. There we go. See on that one, metal, steel, stainless steel, different colour. 40 grit and 60 grit, 80 grit. We'll give them a bash. And we've got this one here. And I use this to take off rust and paint. Worked really well. Really aggressive, this thing. Don't know what it's made of. Oh, and what else do you get? Hook and loop sanding pad as well. There's a Parkside one. You normally get the adapter as well, so you can use it on a drill. Or just take that out and then just screw it into your grinder. Velcro, hook and loop. Some sanding sheets here. I don't know if these were from Parkside or not. That's a really fine grit, that one. Metal, wood, different grits. Say hook and loop, so you can just stick it on there. So let's give some of these a try. Bit of painted box section in the vise. And my go-to mask by Basecamp goes over my ears and then you Velcro at the back. Fantastic bit of kit this is. I've shown it so many times before and I know a lot of you have bought them. But for those who haven't, there's 10% off. I'll put the link below. It's washable. And it doesn't steam up your glasses or goggles. Loads of applications. Check the link below. Get 10% off. Especially for sanding wood. Right, I've got the 40 grit Parkside metal flappy disc in there. This will really eat into this. In the Parkside performance grinder. Yes! Look at that. Quick stop as well on these. And obviously that's the most aggressive grit. Right, hopefully this one comes out as well in the store. I've had to take the guard off for this one. Look at that, straight away, paint coming off. And it tied it up enough. Right, next is the fibre disc on the backing pad, the 100 grade one. I'm a bit ahead of myself here. I found these as I was going through the brochure, and you'll see them properly in about 4 minutes. Took the spindle out for the drill. So you see a bit more delicate with this one. You see on there, bare steel. Let's try and buff it up with that. A bit of wax on it. Yeah, it's bringing a bit of a shine to it. Obviously need to sand it down with a finer grit first though. And use some polishing compound, but I can't find mine. Those were quite abrasive. Now this is going to be a mess, but I'm going to do one small cut. But that'll follow when I show you the next tool. Bit of tile. Next. And here we've got 5-inch diamond blades. £4. I thought I had some of these Parkside ones. They're probably buried away somewhere. These are the Ferrex ones from Aldi. Look like the same style, except you've got a smooth one there without any cutouts. So 4-piece set for £4. Diamond ones, and the 12-piece set cutting discs as well for £4. For cutting masonry, tiles and the like, stone, chasing. We'll give them a bash. Now this is going to be a mess, but I'm going to do one small cut. Bit of tile without breaking it. And the diamond blade. This is a Ferrex one though. Parkside one looks the same though. Yeah, I'm a bit close to the side there. Water won't going to miss as well. Bit of a brick. Nice. Yeah, never do that in your house. Unless you've sealed the room shut. The vac at hand, ornaments out the way, and wire the other halves out, as I've discovered in the past. So the diamond blades, £4, but they're Ferrex ones. Next. Spring clamps are coming back. These are their old version, black and red. They're now green and red. Do they look the same? Slightly different, and the way it's constructed. Got these little holes cut out. Large and the small. These are just so handy. Glue-ups and just holding things in place. Bits of wood, bits of metal, cardboard. Fair bit of strength in the big one. Sprung loaded, of course. Rubber on the handles. This is one of the Aldi ones. This is the work zone version. Again, got the moving tips, depending on what angle they're being fixed at. But these have a plastic peg through the centre. These are metal, basically a bolt and a captive nut. Still got a metal spring. But yeah, these Parkside ones, I prefer them. And it says choose from an assortment in various sizes of clamp. Next. Electrical tape, insulation tape. It's a 12-pack, all the colours we can expect. Black, red, green, white, earth, yellow. And the 15mm by 8 metres long on each roll. £3. Well, I've got a pack here. How many's in there? 6. So half the size. Can't remember how much I paid for that. Not used it yet. What's the size of the rolls? Yeah, 15 by 8 metres. Usual stuff. We've seen this before. Come off. Ah. So you get twice as much for £3. Usual thing. Repair my glove. Fixing. Tape your wire together or after you've soldered it. And a million other uses. Right, let's get some other gloves. Better. Next. Going back to these, I've just been rooting around in the shed. Got these. I wonder if they're coming out again. Diamond grinding cup for masonry, stone, concrete, screed, tile adhesive. And the red one, which is a different design. That one's saying for larger areas, and this one's saying for higher grinding speeds. I've shown these in another video before. I've shown all these that I'm showing you now in other videos before. And this is a clip from a video when I first got them. With a brick, let's try the higher speed one. Ferrex cordless grinder. I suppose while I've got the grinder out, we can see how the guard moves. Might be similar to the one from Parkside. Oh yeah, need to take the guard off. Right against the edge. Take these off, it's like a circlip. These actually click, whatever the position you want. Nice. One area where it opens out. Where is it? Not where, there it is. Ripper! As always, as regards safety, don't do as I do what's good for you. Yeah, everything's covered in dust. Look at that, a few seconds worth. So for high spots in screed or concrete, or on a wall that's got high spots, or whatever. Diamond as well. This is pretty much going to do the same thing, just not as vicious, I think, for larger areas. Next. And these, the fibre disc set. This was on offer, orange label, always look out for them. It's clearance. These are what I've just tried on that box section. Velcro again for that pad, like that. Different grades, as you can see. 280, 800 and 100. So for removing rust from metal and sanding paintwork, coarse, medium and fine, suitable for 125mm grinders. Try them out as well. And I've already done it. Next, if we look here, we've got silicone sealant. 310mm, £3. That's not bad. In white, Manhattan grey and charcoal. I wonder if it's mould resistant stuff. It says for indoor and outdoor, so if it's got anti-mould, it'd be good in bathrooms and kitchens. And the next page, inspection camera, IP67, 6 brightness levels, for drains and hard to reach areas, waterproof probe, and gooseneck, 8mm, with 6 white, which are dimmable LED lights at the end of the probe. £33. They've done a few designs of these inspection cameras from Parkside. I've got this one, bought it off Temu a while ago. I've shown it a few times, but just to give you an idea, if you've not used one before, power on, the battery's flat. No, here we go, endoscope. And then we've got the little camera at the end there with a torch. See on the screen there, hello, shoving it down things to see what's going on. And on this one, I don't know about the Parkside one, but you get some attachments as well. A hook on there so you can claw out whatever's in there. Just one of those things that you don't know you need it till you need it. So that's coming out as well. Well, not that, but the Parkside version. Again, let us know if you've got one of these or the other version. Chipboard screws and wall plugs. £3 a pack. Chipboard screws, 320 pieces. Got these. Is that the same? 250. I wonder if it varies on what screws they are. We've all seen screws before. This has got the little trough at the bottom. Is it this side? There we go. Scoop so we can get a few out when we need them. 500 of them for the wall plugs. £3. It says 4-pack there. I've seen these before. They are slightly different to these. Anyway, next. The diamond tile drill bit set. Maximum speed, 11,000 RPM. Choose from a drill bit set for M14 thread or 1/4-inch hex shank. 5 pieces, £10. Not got one of these. Got one of these a while ago. Really good this is. Drilling into tile or glass. Might this be coming out again? You got the suction clamp that you clamp on, and then you got the guide holes I had a bit of an explosion on glass when I used this. You'll see if you saw the video of it. I did a while back. So if you're new here, check my channel out. I've got loads of Parkside tool reviews. They're not diamond though. And then we've got, for £8, either a set of extension bars for a ratchet and the sockets, or, which is a 20-piece set, or a ratchet handle set, 2 pieces. Closest I've got is something like this. So you probably get that ratchet in the other box. Extension pieces, sockets, we know about sockets. They're all laser etched. It looks like it comes in a box similar to this. I do like this. Really well set out as well, look. Screwdriver and a flexi bit. What I'm wondering is the ratchet like this. And the extension bars. We'll soon know this Sunday. Need to sort this shit out. Stuff everywhere. Next, we've got a load of cleaning and removing fluid. Sorted. I've got a few of these already. Them and them. Am I missing one? Well, anyway, that one's the advanced cleaner. Completely removes adhesive residue. Yellow cap. Green one, cleaning fluid for all standard coffee pad and capsule machines. For thorough, gentle cleaning. And black top rust stain remover. Now, this one's good. I've gotten on to try it out on. When you've got slabs or brickwork or masonry that's got rust stains on it. I tried it out on some rust, on some metal, and it did work, but I'd really love to see it on some slabs. Or something that's had something metal near it and the rust has creeped out, stained it. And the red label, silicone sealant remover. Handy to have. Silicone residue from ceramic, glass and metal surfaces. So they're coming out, £2 a tub. And have a look at this. The Parkside drain unblocker. Now, we saw this coming out in Germany. So these are sort of hints that they come out in Germany first, probably test the water, and then they come over to the UK. £12, I think it was about the same price when I had a look online in Germany. You've got this trigger on the front there. Obviously, the cord or sprung wire winds up inside here. You unwind it out, trigger on the front. Is that like a clutch mechanism? And then you can attach your drill to it. And look at them, the tease. They put a Parkside performance drill on there, which never really comes out in the UK. So removing debris from block pipes, ideal for manual or machine pipe cleaning. Pipes from 12.6mm to 40mm, maximum rotation, 500 RPM. So going down the overflow pipe there, or in your U-bend, sink pipes, shower pipes, whatever. I'm getting one of them, got to give it a bash. And that is about it. Coming out this Sunday, 2nd of August. Let us know what you're getting, let us know what you've got. It helps me and others. But remember, tomorrow, 30th of July, Thursday, the new range of Ferrex tools are coming out from Aldi. I showed it in the last video. And sack truck, really good. Interested in that LED light. Speed clamps, bar clamps, cutter, rotary tool as well, and the cordless screwdriver, sockets, pliers, moisture tester, file set, saws. It's all coming out. I'll be buying a few and I'll be showing you in another video. Next, and for the giveaway, 2 stickers, head to the shed and tool lovers. If you want to be entered, just put I'm in below in the comments, anything you like after it, or just I'm in its own, and I'll pick a winner at random in another video. I never announce the winner in the comments, so don't get in touch with you in any way, say you won. That stops the scammers pretending to be me and saying you won in the comments. Scammers out. Let's do the results for the last giveaway. So as usual, I used a random comment picker off the Tinternet, and this time the winner is Stephen Wedge 5380. Send me an email, it's in the description below. Well done. That drain cleaner, thinking about it with that trigger on the front, it might have a claw on the end, maybe. Like the one from Aldi did. Which, by the way, because the tool drop's coming out tomorrow, they're on offer the other day. I think they're about £2. Showed it in the last video. And if you are new here, why not check out all my videos out? I'll put a link on the screen now. Videos coming up, what I buy from Aldi and from Lidl. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. And remember, keep calm and out to the shed. Cheers! See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.